And good day. Today we're testing out the Fimi X8 SE 2020 edition, the F-Log capabilities. Now this video has been shot at 25 frames per second. Everything has been left on auto apart from color, which is set to F-Log. What you're looking at, the grading has been done in Davinci 16. I believe it's 16.2 is the one I'm using. And well, you can see how it came out. I'm pretty happy with it. There are a couple of wipes towards the end of this clip, plus another clip which again color graded. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video, I hope. All the best till then. Enjoy the rest of this one. Here are a few more videos that I've created. You might find some of them interesting. All the best till next time. Take care.